You're back. Thanks for coming back. It's Cheryl here today, Around the House with Cheryl. I'm Cheryl, and if you like everything house and garden, please subscribe by hitting the little subscribe button down below. And if you're new, welcome. And if you don't want to miss out on what I do around here, hit the little bell so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. So today is the big reveal. As you know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I've been working on this paper mache. I call him a pumpkin. Some people call him a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween, and he is finally done, and I am getting ready to show you how he turned out. So if you want to see, stick around. I'll be right back. You came back? Oh, I can't believe it. I am so thrilled to show you this, guys. He turned out awesome. And first, I'm going to back up so you can see how big he is compared to my little peanut head. Look, he is huge. So you know why it took me months to finish him. But anyway, there he is. And what I did was I used a trash bag with a handle, put 5 layers, stuffed the paper bag with newspaper, put 5 layers of paper mache on him. I spray paint. My husband spray painted the inside with glow-in-the-dark paint. And for his handle, I put duct tape on it to keep it straight, and then put more paper mache on it. And then I just built him up using a dry brush technique that I use for some ceramics. He's going to be inside for this Halloween. He may go out next year once I coat him with something so he does not get wet. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you come back and see what I do for Christmas. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and happy Halloween, everybody.